on YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Big news hitting today with the launch of BitConnect X last night. A lot of US citizens realized that they were not allowed to buy into the ICO, which sucks. I was really disappointed to see that I couldn't buy in just because of my US citizenship. But why is that? Well, we're looking at states like Texas issuing a cease and desist, and now, as of January 9th, the Securities Division of North Carolina Department of Secretary of State issued a temporary order to cease and desist to BitConnect as well. So we're seeing lots of, well, now 2 states issuing cease and desist, and now BitConnect even not allowing US citizens to participate in the new ICO. So there's rumors that we will be able to buy the new BCCX tokens after the ICO finishes in February, but until then we don't really know. And right now we're seeing more and more states shutting down BitConnect, which is sad. So my state is still allowing BitConnect at the moment, but a lot of people are wondering what to do, and I would just encourage you, if you're from North Carolina, if you're from Texas, get some petitions going, send letters to your councilmen and the government, your representatives. We have to remember that the government works for us, or at least is supposed to, and we're allowed to give them suggestions and tell them how we want and what we want to invest in. So be sure to write your local congressman if you're from North Carolina, if you're from Texas, and get these cease and desist orders canceled. If it does go down and the US doesn't permit it, there's lots of other lending platforms. It's gonna be tough for a lot of people to start, but this doesn't mean cryptocurrency is done, and there will still be lots more investment opportunities. But until then, we do know that BitConnect is still paying out the residents of Texas and North Carolina. No one lost any money, they just simply can't reinvest more. So until this happens in my state, if it happens, we don't know, I'm going to continue to be reinvesting, growing my total investment on BitConnect, almost like a savings account, that even if the cease and desist hits my state, I will still be able to withdraw what I've invested over time. So I've got about $36 in my lending wallet, and right now I've got $2,520 in total investment, with my total earned being $726, which is really awesome. So almost to the point where I've earned $1,000 with the program. Of course, most of it is from lending profit, a little bit from affiliate bonuses, not much. I'm not really about getting all the affiliates, I'm just happy with the program because I know it works even just on lending profit. A lot of my friends have made money with this, and now I'm getting to the point where my investment's really starting to snowball and grow, and my goal is to get it over 10,000, even up to 100,000 this year if possible. So guys, here is a $30 reinvest, which will release after 299 days, and there is my success. So if I refresh the page here, I see that my total investment is now $2,550, so that's $2,500 now invested in BitConnect. So I'm still continuing to support BitConnect, to invest into the platform. I'm hoping that there will be some new laws coming out or some clarification from BitConnect to prevent more cease and desist orders from taking place here in the US. So guys, with that, if you didn't know, I give away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below. Let's see who the winner of yesterday's giveaway was. I did release a video in the middle of the night last night to usher in BitConnect X. There is no giveaway on that video. I'm just going to continue on with this video just to clarify. So winner is Craig Flanagan. Hi man, loving these videos. Do you think BitConnect and Litecoin will start to pick up again? I do. I think right now with all this regulation, tax laws, altcoin bull rush going up with all these little micro cryptocurrencies, that there's been a lot of distraction in the crypto world, especially with Ripple kind of taking off. A lot of people jump ship from Bitcoin, from Litecoin, to hop on these little things to make a quick profit. But I think in the long run, coins like Bitcoin and Litecoin are here to stay more long term. So definitely am excited for the future of Bitcoin and Litecoin. Let's go ahead and send you your Litecoin, Craig. Alright, your Litecoin address checks out to be good. Here's 10 US dollars, which is now 0.04 Litecoin. So congrats on winning a small network fee there. Let's go ahead and send you your Litecoin. Alright, there you go, man. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that there's not too much FUD happening because of this North Carolina ban as well. Of course, there always will be a little bit, but as a BitConnect community, guys, let's really stick together. Let's write our governments. Let's let them know that we are allowed to invest in what we invest in, that the internet is a free space, and that it's our money. And I'm fine to pay taxes on my earnings. I understand that. I'm not one to withhold taxes from my government, but for my government to tell me, hey, you can't can't earn on this. You can't use this to change your life, to really set yourself financially free. I'm not okay with that. So definitely be writing your governments, guys. Be active in politics when it comes to cryptocurrency. We can't sit by idly and let the governments tell us that cryptocurrencies are a no-go, because the banks and governments will try this next year. But guys, really push forward. If BitConnect goes down, we're gonna see a domino effect of more and more platform sites and mining sites be banned in the US. And I don't want to see the US miss out on something so crucial in the future of the world. So guys, be active in writing your governments. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, smash the like button on this video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below, entering you to win for tomorrow's giveaway. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. We'll see you later.